On behalf of Expert Village, my name is Libby Caldwell and I'm here to tell you about watercolor journaling. If you want to use regular watercolors, you can carry a little kit like this. This is a Winsor & Newton travel kit, and it comes with palettes that come out and 2 extra palettes, and these are your colors. These are the Derwent watercolor pencils that we use in class. And again, when people are traveling with these, they just take them out of the tin and put them in their purse. If you want to go one step further and you're doing journaling at home where you can have all your supplies, I also use this kind of ink, and these are old-fashioned dip pens. This is a drawing pen, and this is very good for use with the watercolor as well. You can use tube watercolor or what we call pans. And this I'll use, I take this with me when I'm traveling as well actually. And these are watercolor brushes. You can add these along with your brush pens just to give you, if you're using a brush like this, you can really put a large wash on very quickly. And apart from paper towel, that is exactly the extent of what you need for journaling in watercolor.